think it's awesome. And I really think that once we change our mentality and stop just being solo, we can do so much more and we will be powerful.
I think that I feel like, and I don't mean this in a bad way, but I feel like you don't get a cookie for doing what's right, right? However, there's not enough people that do what's right. And so it feels like it's like this tremendous thing, but we should all be the village, right? Maybe not, but I think if we have more ideology around how do we move forward as a unit? How do we move forward as a family? And if every family did it, then we could say, how do we move forward as a community? I think we could go further faster. And so I think it's a great idea. I just wish more people would do
I
it.
think it's awesome. And I really think that once we change our mentality and stop just being solo, we can do so much more and we will be powerful because there is power in numbers. You know, there's an old saying like if you want to go quick, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And I really believe in community and I really believe in us coming together as one and doing big things. Like my family friends know my ultimate goal before I leave this earth is to have a compound. I want a compound where we grow our own food, we take care of our own family, we take care of our own elderly, we educate our own children, we police ourselves, and so that we have that freedom. And so for me, I'm all about community. I believe there's not many ventures that I go on alone, but I feel like there's really power in them.